Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. Well, Merry Christmas! No matter where you're celebrating Christmas, on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, like me, you may sit next to the Christmas tree and look at Christmas movies, or hearing your family saying Christmas quotes. Then there's that time you start singing Christmas songs together. Those images will live in my mind forever. Images of kids laughing, the food, the Christmas wrapping, the colors, the ribbons, the lights. But one of the things I love looking at and staring at is staring into a crackling fire in a fireplace, and also looking at the little winter wonderland that everybody makes under their Christmas tree. It may have little houses and small little figurines, but the ones that I love the most are the ones that have a train going around the Christmas tree. Back in the day, people used to work hard all year long and save their money so they can afford to hop on a train and take that long journey home to bring presents to their family and friends. It kind of reminds me of that song I'll Be Home for Christmas, or that one song especially called The Christmas Waltz by Barry Manilow. You've got to hear those songs on Christmas Day because it represents that joy of bringing presents home to your family and friends, and of course spending time with them on Christmas Day. This, in my opinion, is the big reason why families put a train under the Christmas tree, because it represents that joyful journey of coming home to your family and friends and sharing the Christmas joy that you have for one another. I tried to put my Winter Wonderland up every year so my grandkids can see it. I love how they sit there and stare at it for hours and hours. You know, today you see people with their presents to the corner of their house, or they'll have their Christmas tree set up and they'll have presents underneath. When I was a kid though, people would set up their Christmas tree and they would have a theme under their Christmas tree. I used to call it a Winter Wonderland, and they would have all sorts of characters and scenes under the Christmas tree, including a train. Not only did they set this up and have a small town or scene, but there was always a theme to it of some sort. Nowadays, you rarely see that at all. I don't know why we've walked away from that. Anyway, this is my version of it, and I hope it inspires you. Well, I hope this video inspires you to make your own winter wonderland for your family that are still young at heart.